Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Alright guys, so Babe's trying sushi for the very first time.
Yeah, I want to try it.
So we're just getting a few little plates.
So that one is prawn?
That's prawn and rice, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and then just looking at other ones to get.
Interesting. Never tried anything here before, guys, so let's see how well I will accept it. Yeah.
So that's one. Actually, it's actually prawns.
Yeah?
You'll like it.
Alright.
Seafood. Hey guys, this is Babe's first time trying sushi.
Yeah.
So I tried to get him the least, I don't know, that he won't like, he will like.
Yeah.
So I try to get him the ones that he will like, not the ones that he won't like. So here we go.
Yeah.
Putting on the sauce.
Sushi for the very first time.
Just don't eat the plastic thing. We don't have the what do you call it? You can put as much sauce as you want. Maybe
we don't have the chopstick.
We don't have the chopstick, so you have to cut the first one.
Cut?
Yeah.
You mean just take it up?
Yeah, they come in slices like that. And then you can try.
Okay.
That's why we need.
And it's rice wrapped around it.
Yeah.
Hold the camera.
Hang on.
Oh. Actually, it's just good. This one is fish. Is it?
Chicken.
Chicken. Nice. I actually love it, guys. Tastes good. Tastes good. Yeah.
It's a win.
Yeah. A win. Probably if it was like raw or something, I don't know. Oh well, my stomach would accept that, but this tastes good. Can taste it cook or whatever they don't do to it, because I don't know what sushi is or the process is it. So yeah, but that tastes really good.
Cool. All right, hold the camera. Hang on. I think it needs a bit more sauce. No, you're gonna try this one. This has got chicken and avocado in it. And the green stuff, to answer your question, is seaweed.
Oh.
Seaweed from the sea. I think it's from the sea. Correct me if I'm wrong.
It must be from the sea.
It's seaweed, so yeah.
Alright, let's try this.
It's a bit better with the sauce.
Yeah, the sauce.
The sauce. They give it
Sauce,
a
give it a kick, you know?
Something.
Yeah, nice. It's shot, guys, man. It's shot. It's a vibe. So guys, there's heaps of parrot bird outside here that I would love to get a video of them, but they're a bit wild. Yeah, you guys have seen them from the zoo that we've been to. Yeah, so I know they eat the bread, but they don't like me getting too close. So I don't know if I can throw some bread. Hopefully they don't fly and I can get the camera there, you know, up close and personal where the food is at. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to show you them anyway. Heaps of them in the yard. There they are. They're eating. They're not looking towards this way though. Just these little ones. These ones are more tame. They come right up. But they're eating something in the grass, guys. I don't know what it is exactly. Look at this little one. Different bird this though. They're gonna fly. Let's see how close I can get. They're really pretty. Really pretty. I'm getting closer and closer. See that, guys? Wow. Oh, I actually got really close. Woo! Wow. That's so beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. But I don't know what's in the grass they're eating though. I don't know what exactly. Yeah. There they go. What me I gotta do, guys, I gotta leave the camera here so and let it go and record, and if they come back you guys will get a better close-up. You see it, so if they don't come back then yeah, you won't see that part of the video. I don't even know where
We're trying to get a wasp, guys. That's Babe's towels.
at first I was see a wasp move so fast. Yeah.
Babe, I know where it is. It's where the curtain is up on the top there.
Up there?
Yeah.
Right now. Oh, there it is.
It hasn't dead yet. It's on the windowsill. Get it in a tissue. Get it in a tissue. Get it in a tissue.
I'm dead.
In dead? You sure?
Yep.
That, if that gets you guys, that would bite the shit out of you.
It's fast now, right? Because comparing the Jamaican bees, it's sitting here swift. You see my fly and I go on. Done him.
I said you almost fall. You almost fell down.
Guys, be a run out of the bathroom because of bees.
Hello, people, island tribe. How are yous all doing? So, me and Babe have received our order, and the last couple of 2 months, should be about 2-3 months that you've been here now, babes.
Yeah.
About that. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Hang on, Island. Let me do a thing. So we just got an order about this Jamaican products.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to show everyone that you can still get Jamaican food here.
Yeah.
So
there's a lady that owns an online store.
Online store, yep, in Sydney, and she sent, and we order it online, and we get our delivery here.
Yeah.
So guys, yeah, just wanted to say that Babe's not eating crap. He's still eating his Jamaican food, and he's still very much in touch with his flavours and that he likes to put on his food.
Yeah.
Island's being naughty. But anyways, that's what I just wanted to say. I'll show you guys what the packages is, but I think Island wants to hold the camera. Here, Bubba. Literally, I feel like I got so much more energy.
Yeah.
I'm feeling so overtired now. I'm feeling
Can you believe this boy is recording?
Just let him be. Maybe he'll come up with his own little channel eventually. Hey, you're gonna say hi to everyone. Kiss everybody. Yeah, tell them what you're doing today. Making a mess. Yeah, tell them. Tell everybody. Tell them all.
Love you.
Singing louder. Wagwan. Huh? A boom boom. What you do with a boom boom? It's raining. Can't go outside. A boom boom. Raining.
Yeah, guys. So we have some Jamaican product here, and from the first time I arrived here, you know, we've been making orders of getting Jamaican product, and babe knew about this way before I came here, right?
I did my homework.
Yeah, and you found a lady that does Island. Yeah, so alright, let's get straight into it. So we ordered a few Jamaican products.
Here, Island, here. Go get the ball. Go get the ball.
So everything is all wrapped up in newspaper. Yeah, so this is saltfish, guys. Saltfish.
Saltfish, guys.
Yeah, so foreign saltfish, this one. Yeah, man, and this must be the ackee.
Ackee in a can, guys.
Ackee in a can. So it says authentic Jamaican ackee in brine or brine.
Brine.
Yeah, so that's what it is, guys. Let's see what else we have here. Alright.
Nice. You see, guys?
Right, so they have the jerk seasoning here. See it? So this is the mild jerk seasoning. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Alright, now what else we have here now? So we have some
Soup. Oh, cock soup.
You say. What you say?
Soup.
Oh my god, babe. You know that's a family channel, right?
No, I'm sorry, guys. Cock soup.
Yeah.
Cock
I
soup.
call it what it is. Cock soup.
Cock soup.
Yeah, man. So
It's tasty.
yeah. We done heaps already. Heaps of it.
Yeah, we've already bought
You
heaps,
see,
but
so-
today we bought heaps of it.
heaps more.
We ordered a lot more.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you know yard people style already. So you know say a Jamaican angle them. If you see them wrap up in a newspaper, you know say a yard people angle it. So we alone wrap up things in a newspaper them way, you know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Which other country does that? Yeah. So it's heaps. Yeah.
Heaps of cock soup, guys.
Yeah, heaps.
We use a lot of it. So there you go, guys. Like we just, you know, stock up on this so that, you know, babe can cook his meals and stuff as well that he likes.
Yeah, it's not a one-time thing, but it's good when you can make like a big order, so we don't have to buy every minute, you see, because them come all the way from Sydney. You see, it's not like them there at the corner shop, we can just go pick them up, so we have to buy, you know, a good amount, you see, so them can last for your time. So yeah, and I also want to show you what else we bought. This was bought the last time.
Yeah.
Yeah. We bought these. So this is the Island Spice chicken seasoning. You see it? Yeah. And this is all purpose. The Island Spice all purpose.
Was that the last time we bought? That's it.
Yeah, so
We did get another jerk seasoning.
yeah, we did get some jerk seasoning which we use up
We used
already.
up.
So
Yeah.
yeah, and also we have from that last order as well. From that last order we also have browning.
Browning.
Yeah, so yeah guys, if you're a Jamaican living in Australia and I don't know if you probably know already our Island, what's wrong? Say hi. Hi to the fams.
Alright, guys, he wants the camera. That's what he wants.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to have to invest in getting him a little camera for him. I do actually have one for him, guys. I got this one for him, but I'm trying to open the lid at the moment as we speak. Trying to get this open. But anyway,
yeah
that will
guys.
be for him.
Yeah, so if you guys ever need Jamaican product or anything, just link up and we'll drop the link. There's a link you can add to the channel. Is there like
there is.
So we'll add the link to the channel. So if you are in Australia and want to get Jamaican products, yeah, click the link down below. Yeah man, so
Alright.
yeah.
So babe forgot one thing. He also got 2
Pepper sauce,
pepper sauces
yeah.
there.
Yeah, so my brother-in-law or girlfriend, right?
Yeah,
She-
girlfriend.
Yeah, she bought these as a gift. Yeah.
Yeah, as a
You
gift
see, so
to welcome Babe to
yeah, to
Australia. Yeah.
So yeah, Jamaican hot pepper sauce.
True Jamaican.
And we use
product
some of
of
that
Jamaica.
already.
So there you guys go. Baby's still enjoying his authentic stuff.
True.
Yeah.
See guys, we also have some banana, which my father-in-law wife brought over some banana again. You see it, so yeah.
The only thing we don't have is yam.
Yeah, yam something we shorter right now.
Yeah.
But pumpkin and certain things, yeah, easy get. Alright guys, so here we have little Bobo. About to go swim in the pool. Babe gone change, so I'm waiting on her. But yeah, Bobo looks a bit nervous. I don't know what's gonna happen yet. But let's see. Island is scared guys, he don't wanna go in the water. What's so wrong? But you always love water. I think this is his first time in the pool guys. Probably looks different to him, I don't know. Hey, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Huh? You can do it, Island. Huh? You can do it. You can do it. Don't be scared. Huh? You can do it. He's very scared, guys. Island. That's fine. Why you don't want to go in the water? Huh? What's wrong? Eh? Hey, Bobo. Look, guys. Island.
Ready? Come on, Bobo. Let's go.
I've
Maybe
never seen
if
it.
I go in, hang on.
Yeah, go in.
Alright. Okay, that was alright.
Go to mom.
Come on, man. Hi!
Oh, he's nervous. He's so nervous. I've never seen Island like this.
All right now.
Hey, Boo.
Hi, everybody. Say hi.
Island boy. He's so nervous but looks so cute at the same time. Ain't that beautiful? Smile. I swear, he's so cute.
I can hold on you, Bobo. Oh, that's nice.
Wow, here.
Hi. Alright, go, Daddy. Go. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Yay! My little Bobo. My little Bobo. Oh, look at that. The somebody is. Somebody to love.
Alright guys, so here we have the speaker. It already opened the box a bit. So yeah, and I just want to say again, thank you very much to that lady, you know, who bought me the speaker, you know. As I said before, you're helping my dream come true. Everyone that, you know, even if you like the video, doesn't matter. You're helping, supporting my dream and our dream as a family, you see. So
True.
I very much appreciate everything that you have done for us as well. So yeah, this is the speaker. It's an Edifier R1 280T. You see, so it's a nice studio speaker and things. So yeah, just gonna unbox it. Let you guys see what it looks like. They have weight as well, you know. They have nice weight.
Oh, they have even whatchamacallit, volume up and down.
Oh, that's nice. There you guys go.
It's a volume controller. You
Yes,
keep all
let me
that.
get it out of the way, let you guys see what's happening. Alright. Nice. Look at that. I like the
timber feel.
Yeah, like that board kind of look to it. Yes, that's really nice, and it has weight. It has nice weight, you know. So yeah.
Oh, true.
Yeah, it has good weight. And we hooked up wires here. It's nice, guys.
Wow, can't wait for this, especially for babe's dreams to come true.
It's gonna be amazing, man. Yeah.
Wow.
Big boy, you know? Yeah, guys. Nice. I'm excited, yo. Alright, let me even pull this. So that's the back. Plug in right here. But this is the back of it. There's also all the plugs can go here. Switch on and off there. Wire connect here and all that. So yeah, and these control your volume and you know your tweaking, adjusting and thing. Yeah. So that's what's up.
Nice. We should test it out with one of your songs.
I tell you, man. Yeah. When everything's set up, it's gonna be amazing, guys. So yeah, stay tuned.
Awesome.
All right. Blessings.
Island tribe, my people. Okay, so we are just gardening, fixing the front yard. We just decided last minute that we were going to you know, fix up the yard a little bit in the front of the house. So I'll just show you, got a few little plants in there. Babe, I don't know the names of them because they threw the things out. Oh, actually I threw them out, but yeah.
I don't remember the names, but
I know this is like an elephant ears, aloe vera there, rosemary there. So yeah, we're just giving it a good clean, guys.
Yeah, remove these other flowers that was there.
Yeah, so our bin's pretty full of stuff at the moment.
Yeah, decorate it different now with different types of flowers, you know?
That's it. Alright, babes.
I don't have to water them now.
Yeah. It's getting dark, guys. So guys, just real quick, I just wanted to say, I don't know what it's like in America and Canada and other parts of or different countries, but I just wanted to ask a question. Do you guys have 3 different bins? So when the garbage man comes to collect your rubbish, you've got your green stuff, which is basically your leftover food, vegetables, scraps and all that sort of stuff, and your green, obviously your green, you know, and whatnot. You've got those, and then you've got the red one, which is for like your plastic and non-recyclable stuff, things that can't sort of dissolve in the ground. And then we have the yellow one, which was for like your bottles, glass, cardboard. No, yellow one's for cardboard and some plastics. Certain things. So let us know, guys, what you guys have in your country. So yeah, Australia's trying to keep it green, clean, and yeah, so now we've got to separate everything. It used to be just one garbage, and then it used to be like your recycling, which was your cardboard and your bottles, but now people are actually making money out of bottles. So if I say, for example, real quick, I don't know if you can see me, I hope you can, just going to show you an example real quickly. So basically, so in this bin here, I just put those 2 bottles in there. These are like, there's like a depot, right? That these are like 10 cents. So any like soft drink bottles that are recyclable and they have a 10-cent mark on them, that means, yeah, you recycle them, you can get money. So yeah, anyways, I just quickly thought I'd show you real quick our wildlife. Oh, it's running away. No, stay here. Hi. 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 Hello. The cows are coming. Hi. They're eating. Yeah. So guys, it's getting dark. Anyways, just thought I'd show you. So yeah, guys, let me know down below in the comments section whether you basically recycle all your things overseas where you are. Yeah. And Babe's just watering the garden, guys. So just a quick water. Rosemary. We Argentinians believe, I don't know, but yeah, us Argentinians believe when you have rosemary, it means money. Another plant I'll show you another day, guys, it also means money apparently. So there you go, that's my rosemary, it's growing.